Hi, I'm Suraj and welcome to my channel surajkumar.it. Then today I'll discuss about how to solve factorial in Python. Then click on PyCharm. Okay. Then create a new file. Python file. Then it is factorial. And what is factorial? Okay. In factorial means if I want to print 5 factorial means what 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 5 into 4 20 20 into 2 40 40 into 3 120 120 120 into 1 20 if you inputted a number it starts from example is 5 then it end from 1 okay multiplied by 1 then till n okay then how to create a program for factorial programming okay then where I want to print means input a number function same function and integer function integer data type is integer input function is input then enter a number to see the factorial of that inputted number okay and run it shift m due to interpreter based language okay enter a number to see the factorial of that number okay then the next is and take some variable fact equal to 1 okay fact is if you want to why do not you take 2 means if you multiplied with any number with 1 then the same number will be appeared okay then I want to use the factorial program using while loop while is a conditional loop okay if first will check the condition then the loop will be again entered okay then n must be greater than 0 okay must be greater than 0 colon the syntax then okay fact equal to n fact multiplied by n okay fact multiplied by n then n equal to n minus 1 okay it starts from 5 and 8 at end at 1 okay then print factorial is equal to factorial is fact okay then I will tell you if inputted number is 5 then 5 is must be greater than 0 okay 5 is must be greater than 0 here the condition is true the number 5 is entered the loop then fact is equal to fact is I am the taking variable fact is equal to 1 fact into I have input the number is 5 okay fact into 5 then it prints what then n then it is prints fact okay here n is then f5 will be print then again n is equal to n minus 1 means 5 minus 1, it will be 4. Then again enter the loop, it will be 4. 4 is greater than 0, then fact, then 3, then n, here is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, then continue, loop will be again continue and continue. Okay, then I'll run the program, Control Shift F10. Okay, I want to print 3 as the factorial of 3 is 6. Factorial is 3, factorial is 6. Okay, then I want to print some biggest number is 12. Okay, the factorial is what? 4 7 9 0 0 1 6 0 0. Okay, here the answer. Okay, the answer. Then if I want to print the factorial, according to the factorial of 0 is what? 1, and put 0. Procedure exit. I want to print factorial of 0 is 1. Take a conditional loop. Okay, if n, okay, n equal to 0, equal to or double equal to the difference. Okay, n equal to 0. Okay, if n, if you input n is 0, then it print the factorial value is equal to 0. Okay, and factor of the value is 0. Okay, then I'll again run it. Then I have to print factorial of 0 is what? Okay, 0 is 1. Okay, factorial of value is 1. Okay, must be 1. According to the rule, factorial of 0 is 1. 0 factorial means 1. Okay, 0. Here the factorial value is 1. The condition will be true. Then okay, again I will run. The biggest number is 9999. Okay, yeah, the factorial value is too large. Then I will stop the run. Okay, thank you to see the channel. Okay, please like, subscribe and comment for the channel. Okay, thank you.